Hey guys, so fuck, I don't have my watch on. It's about midnight here in Ohio. Finally finished putting my bike together. I think it looks pretty good, except my bars didn't come out the color I thought Colt made them. So other than the little mismatch between all the oranges, I think it looks pretty good. But we're gonna do a bike check. So this is my bike. Let's start with the frame. 2009 DK Kaczynski. It's a 20.6 frame. In my personal opinion, that's too small. My race frames, I ride 22s and 21.75 frames, so this one's really small for me. But yeah, let's go on. The bars, Colt leader bars, 8.25 rise. I didn't really look up how much back sweep, but so far they look pretty comfortable. Grips, the Colt Vans grip. I love these grips. I love Vans, and I'm finally glad to see that one company made waffle grip grips. Bar ends, just some Shadow plastic bar ends. Nothing fancy. My stem, Assault 42 millimeter reach front load stem. I like it. My friend gave it to me since I had other stems, and I always seemed to have them strip out and the bars would move on me. So this is the first one I've had, and never had a problem with it. Headset's FSA Impact, nothing fancy. It was what came on the bike when I bought it. Alright, so forks, these are what I just bought. They're Fly Aguas.